Hey, y'all, this is Kicking It With Ben again. Yes. This video is going to be about two things while there's still coffee time. First of all, a while ago, that last video, I said about the plants that I started for my niece. And then I said, it's my brother's son. Well, I apologize. This is daughter. Yeah, and then we got that behind us. Now we're going to get on the tool review. I had something given to me yesterday. It's been a long time since I've seen one of them. That is a Makito cordless drill. Now, it says, if I can find it, it is a, hold on there. I'm having problems this morning. I must still have the after effect of the 5-hour energy from yesterday. Anyhow, this says it is a 9.6 volt. That's got to be an old, maybe 20, 25 years old. But Kicking With Ben is going to use it for around the house. Driller. Still seems to work pretty good. I haven't put it under the test yet, but after I do, we will do a review on it. Anyhow, this is still coffee time with Kicking With Ben. But, you know, I wouldn't buy something like this, but I'm tickled to death to have it. I sure is. This is compliments from Jordan's Woodworking. He does fine work. But anyway, this is a short skit from Kicking With Ben. On straightening out another mistake I made in the last video, and an acquired addition to the family 9.6 volt Makito cordless drill. So, we're going to call this video quits. I will be back later. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap that little bell so we can sling some more out of our drawers. Later.